This is the morning weather briefing. This is for Thursday, the 16th of March. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather cold this morning. A really nice warm up today. Many spots will touch 70. Rain tomorrow, maybe some strong storms for the southern part of the state. And then another shot of cold air coming in here tomorrow night and over the weekend. So let's talk about things this morning. It's always interesting in March. There's the upper air look, and we have a shortwave ridge in place across the deep south. That'll provide another sunny day today, but troughing coming out of the Rockies. That brings rain back into Alabama tomorrow. That's the radar this morning, about 5:15. Nothing happening there. Temperatures all over the board. Variations depend on wind and elevation, but the colder values are over the eastern half of the state. We've got 30 for Gadsden and Pell City, 32 for Sylacauga, 34 down in Clanton, Montgomery at 36, and upper 30s for Mobile and Dothan. But again, we're expecting a very nice warm-up today. Highs will hit 70 and exceed 70 in some spots. This will be the warmest day of the week, so enjoy. We have a freeze warning in effect this morning for the northeastern counties of the state. That would be from about Sylacauga and Roanoke north. And north and west of the state, we have winter storm warnings in effect for parts of Nebraska, Minnesota, Wisconsin, upper Michigan, as the system that brings rain in here tomorrow will be bringing snow up to that part of the United States. So severe storms a possibility today for parts of North Texas and South Oklahoma. That would include Dallas-Fort Worth. The broader risk extends from South Texas up into parts of Oklahoma, Arkansas, and as far east as the Mississippi Delta. And then tomorrow we have a risk of severe storms mainly near the Gulf Coast. Again, not much change in the SPC outlook, but the northern half of the state will be in a cool, stable air mass. The main concern will be in that yellow area. That's the level 2 out of 5 risk. That would include places like Mobile, Fairhope, Gulf Shores, Atmore, Andalusia, Enterprise. And the main threat will be from strong winds. There could be an isolated tornado. And then on day 3, which is Saturday, no severe weather expected across the country. Here's a look at the rain for the next 7 days. And the numbers have come down for Alabama because the system that originally looked like it might wet us down Tuesday of next week is off the board all of a sudden. But rain amounts generally around 1 inch for much of the state between now and Thursday morning of next week. And the bulk of that rain will be during the day tomorrow. So model fans, here we go. This is the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 4. And you can see the trough coming out across the Great Plains states. But again, for us, the day will be mostly sunny. In the high near 70 for North Alabama, low 70s for the southern counties of the state. And then west of here, we have a surface low that is over northern Missouri. And north and west of that, we have snow. South and east of that, we have rain and storms. So tomorrow, that main surface low moves into Canada, far, far north of Alabama, but the trailing front will bring rain in here. Let's go to high-resolution modeling. This is the high-res NAM, valid at 19Z. That is 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. You can see rain fairly widespread over the north-central part of the state, and there could be some thunderstorms on the front pushing into South Alabama, and those could be strong tomorrow afternoon, but it's going to be a day where temperatures go the wrong way for North Alabama. Readings could reach 60 for North Alabama, say, by mid-morning tomorrow, but then they begin to fall through the 50s and into the 40s by tomorrow afternoon. It's a very sharp front there, so just be aware that it might be okay when you walk out the door with temperatures in the 50s, but then it's going to turn cold by afternoon for North Alabama. And then for South Alabama, we have a little instability involved ahead of the front. This is 2 o'clock tomorrow. That's the surface-based Cape. And this is the storm relative felicity. Those numbers are not really overwhelming, but they might be sufficient for a few rotating updrafts. And you can see the significant tornado parameter values are higher over at southwest Alabama. And again, not especially high, but there could be an isolated tornado there. But the main concern coming from strong winds. Tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening as the surface boundary comes in. But again, clearly for North Alabama, there's no risk of any severe weather with that cold air moving in. It'll be kind of a raw afternoon with some rain, a brisk north wind, and temperatures falling into the 40s. So this is Saturday as the weekend begins. And for most of the state, Saturday should be dry, the sky becoming mostly sunny. Now, South Alabama could see some lingering showers Saturday. And Saturday morning is going to be cold. We could see lows near the freezing mark over North Alabama. And then Sunday, the day will be sunny, and Sunday morning will be cold. Most spots over the northern half of the state will be in the 20s. Another late season freeze. The day will be sunny, the high Sunday in the 40s over the northern third of the state, 50s for the rest of Alabama. So temperatures way below average. This is Monday, another morning freeze likely. Same thing, 20s for North Alabama, low 30s down into South Alabama. The day will be sunny, the high Monday in the 50s. And then, Tuesday, some of the models had advertised this big storm in the Gulf and a big rain mass coming in here. Well, that idea is off the board. The GFS depicting that wave could bring some rain to parts of Georgia and South Carolina and Florida, but not here. And the European has basically got the idea totally off the board with no rain anywhere across the Deep South. So we have taken out that chance of rain for Tuesday. And then Wednesday, we're dry. And we start to warm up. Temperatures will likely exceed 60. And this is a week from today. This is Thursday the 23rd. Ridging in place. The sky will be mostly sunny, and we could hit low to mid 70s. It'll be a mild day. So if you're looking for a good spring-like feel, it'll be back by Thursday of next week. You can see the next system off to the west that probably brings some rain in here at the end of next week on Friday, the 24th. Let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday the 25th, and you can see troughing north and east of the state. We are in a dry air mass. This is rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble, the mean between 3 and 4 inches, that green line between now and the end of March. And temperatures coming off the national blend of models. This is for Birmingham. Again, close to 70 today, but look at the high dropping into the upper 40s on Sunday. And Saturday morning will be close to freezing. We've got 34, but sub-freezing lows are expected Sunday morning and Monday morning and maybe even Tuesday morning of next week. But then we bounce back to a high of 77 by Thursday. That'll feel much better. And the latest 8 to 14-day guidance in the house, this is for March 23rd through March 29th. Temperatures near average for much of the state, maybe a little above average for the Gulf Coast, which is good news for spring break fans. Speaking of the Gulf Coast, weather looked great last night. These shots were taken on the Alabama Gulf Coast. Some school systems are on spring break this week, but the crowds certainly don't look that bad. Up this way, we enjoyed a great sunset last night across the state. How about an Alabama Longhorn? Yeah, that was taken in Ragland in St. Clair County. So that's it for the morning briefing. Notes on the blog, alabamawx.com. Today headed to Cherokee County. I'll be at Center Elementary this morning, and then Calhoun County for Alexandria Elementary School. And let's see, then tomorrow morning we'll be at Faith Academy, that is in Trussville. And then Saturday, a book signing in Fairhope, the eastern shore of Mobile Bay. We'll be at the Kind Cafe from 11:30 until 2:30. We have so much fun at these things. Take a lot of pictures, but all the books, the shirts, all the cats, all the cool weather stuff will be there. So if you're in Mobile, Pensacola, Daphne, Fairhope, Gulf Shores, Orange Beach, come see us. Again, Saturday from 11:30 until 2:30 in Fairhope. Don't forget to watch us on television this evening if you can. ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.